Michael Cohen joins me now. Michael, you started this. Your reaction to today's indictments of the organization you used to work for and the CFO you used to work so closely with?
So I'm not surprised at all about the indictment. It's a little different than I guess many of us expected. We were looking for or hoping for a more sweeping set of indictments, meaning more than just Allen Weisselberg. I want to be clear, and I've said this on your show so many times, Allen Weisselberg is not the keystone to this entire indictment. There will be more as far as I'm concerned. I know that I had gone in and I had spoken on more than a dozen occasions to the district attorney, and there are a multitude of issues that are far more ranging than Allen Weisselberg not paying for a car or for an apartment. And he's not the only one at the Trump organization as far as executives that have that same sort of wacky compensation package.
Wacky compensation that the company intentionally used to avoid taxes? Is that your view?
Well, my view is that, you're living in an apartment, you're not paying for it. You have a car that you're not paying for. It's probably not standard and nobody really discusses it. Again, people have to understand that the Trump organization, despite what the Trump organization's attorney said post the indictment, it's not 3,500 people. All right. Yes, you have 3,500 people that may be somehow affiliated, but some of the hotels that they manage, they don't pay these people. It's part of a licensing deal. Or they're talking about hundreds of people that work on the golf courses. That's not the entire company. Basically consists of about a dozen executives, including Donald and then the three children. So take 4 off. Maybe it's 8 to 10 people. And they weren't going and telling everybody, well, look, Allen's got a free apartment and therefore Matt should have one. And then if Matt gets a free car or he gets the lease paid for, then Allen should get one. And then this executive is also getting it. Doesn't really work that way. They all keep it to themselves. And so that's why I refer to it as a wacky sort of compensation package. Yeah. Instead of just paying additional funds, which they should have done, they decided to do it this way. But this is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the multitude of illegalities that the district attorney is currently looking at. And I think it's wrong of us to presume for a moment that this is it, right? This is the big surprise. Hey, everybody, look, we're going to get Allen Weisselberg. It's not Allen Weisselberg that they're looking for.